Okay, crafters, today I'm revamping my Vince Lombardi replica trophy video. I made this video 4 years ago when I really didn't know what I was doing, and so I had videoed it in short form, long screen, narrow. Anyway, I've cut it down and tried to shorten the video, take out things that didn't need to be in there, and this is the revamped video. So let's get started. We're starting out with a foam football from the Dollar Tree and some metallic silver spray paint. And you want the metallic because you see how it gives it this really glossy glass-like finish that makes it look more realistic. So you're just going to spray down one side, let it dry, flip it over, spray the other side. And then next you're going to make yourself a little template, or you can get mine off of my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And you're going to cut this out. After you get your template, you're going to cut it out from some cardboard. And I'm just using a recycled mailing box. And we're going to go and score these little tabs that I have on each side. You're not going to cut them all the way through. Just score it so that you can bend them. And these are the things that's going to hold the two sides together when we fold it. Without those little tabs, it's not going to be as sturdy if you just glue the two sides. Just if you fold it and then just put some glue down the seam, it's not going to be that sturdy. Trust me, I have made and sold a bunch of these, and you don't want somebody to pick it up and it just falls apart. So I'm scoring the lines here. And the same thing, you don't want to cut them all the way through, just enough so that you can bend it. Now we're going to bend it on the lines. I got out of the camera a little bit. I'm going to bend it on the lines and then put these little tabs and match them up with the empty space. So you got to just work it around until you get it lined up. And we're going to put the hot glue all the way down this seam. You're going to put a lot on the tabs. And then you reach in from the inside and press it out. So now I'm just going to put some hot glue around the top and line up my football. You want to line up the back seam exactly with that line, and you want to line up the front with the center. Then I'm going to load it up with hot glue and spray paint over that. Next, we're going to put some poster board, and this is the ultra glossy metallic poster board. You're going to just wrap that around and then bend over one edge and put hot glue under it. And then I've cut it where the other edge fits right up to that, not overlapping, just right up to it. And put hot glue under that, seal it up. All you have left to do is print out a football emblem or a football team name or your kid's school team name. However you want to do it. It's great for a Super Bowl party, a kid's football team, what have you. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.